Hello and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad. My name is Karen Breyer and this is my dad Don. And today we are going to make some really delicious lentil tacos. This is a really fun recipe and it's really easy to make. So the ingredients in this recipe are water, diced tomatoes with green chilies, tomato sauce, chili powder, ground cumin, garlic powder, salt, fresh ground pepper, dried lentils that you've sorted through, make sure there's no debris or rocks, and that you've rinsed and drained them. Also taco shells, and then later you'll need toppings of your choice. So we need to go over to the stove to cook these, so we'll meet you over at the stove. So we're going to get a medium saucepan. We're going to go ahead and add 1 1/4 cup of water. Next we're going to add a 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, and these chilies are kind of hot, but you could use a milder variety. And if the can has more than 10 ounces in, you could probably put the whole can, or you could just measure out 10 ounces. So the next ingredient is an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Then we have 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Next we have 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. And then we have 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then we have 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and you can adjust that to your taste later. And then we have about 1/8 teaspoon of fresh ground pepper, and just kind of eyeball that. Okay, and then you could add more pepper at the end if you would like. So now we're going to bring this mixture to a boil. We're going to turn it on high. We're going to mix everything up. So after it comes to a boil, we'll add the lentils. Make sure to get all the garlic powder mixed in. Our mixture has come to a boil, so we're going to add our 1 cup of lentils that we sorted, rinsed, and drained. Stir them in and reduce the heat to a simmer. Once you reduce it to a simmer, go ahead and put a lid on and cover it. So we're going to simmer our lentils about 35 minutes or until they're as soft as you like them. If the lentil mixture becomes dry before it's finished and the lentils are soft, add a little more water. Okay, our lentil taco mixture is done. It did take a little longer to cook than usual, and I added a little more water. So let's go try it. Okay, so our lentil taco filling is finished and we're ready to assemble our tacos. So this is just like regular taco filling. You put in your filling and then you could put toppings. You could have a taco party and everybody could make custom-made tacos. Wouldn't that be fun?
That'd be great.
Yeah, so why don't we go ahead and try them. You can heat up your taco shells if you want. Just follow the instructions on the taco package. So what I do is I just add some taco filling, about 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup. Then you can add the fillings of your choice. We've got lettuce. You could just kind of grab some. Tomatoes. You could also put like sour cream, guacamole, avocados. We've got some red onions here. I don't know if you like red onions, but we got some.
That'd be great. Yep.
And cheese, if you want cheese, you could also use vegan cheese. And salsa. There's some salsa.
Problem is, I want to put everything on.
I know, and then you overstuff them. So you got to be careful about your Here, it falls out, you can stuff it back in. So you ready to try your lentil tacos?
I'm ready.
Okay, here goes.
Oh, that is good.
Isn't that really good?
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna love them. It was really easy to make. You just simmer the ingredients for a little bit and serve them with your favorite toppings.
Now, what you got to do is make one more now for your wonderful husband, Ken, who just drove home from
Oh yeah,
okay?
yeah. See if my
There he
husband.
is.
There he is now. Would you like to try a bite of my taco? He's too shy, he won't come. Someday we'll get him to come. He's just dragging himself in. Okay, well, he's gonna enjoy one of our tacos. Try it this week, let me know how it turns out and what toppings you put on it. All right, have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
You're really good.